Welcome to Carly Tackle's Intex 18-foot by 9-foot by 52-inch pool. This pool has the Ultra XTR frame that's supposed to be really sturdy. The pool also includes a sand filter, ladder, and debris cover. First thing I did was unbox everything and organize it. You're going to have a box with all of your tubes and valves. A box just for your corner pieces. This is your ground cover, your debris cover, the pool liner, and then inside of the pool box is another big box. Inside this box are some straps that go around your frame and black tubes. When you unbox your frame, they are labeled with letters, stickers, most of them are. So try to lay them out in alphabetical order so they're all organized. You can see I have it laid out there. The U brackets don't have letters, but they all can go together in a pile. We did assemble the ladder off camera. Make sure you do that first. You're going to need it to help set up your pool. When you have everything unboxed, you can start by laying your ground cover. We are folding ours to only cover the sand portion and to leave our pavers exposed. You do not have to do this. The instructions say to pull it all out. Next, you can lay out your pool liner. The instructions tell you to be careful of where your drain plugs are and the two outlet valves. You want to make sure this is on the side with the electrical source because your pump will go on that side of the pool. Now you're going to lay your frame pieces around the pool matching this diagram. This is where you're matching up those letters. Where you have your C, B, B, A on the bottom, you would match those poles and lay them, and then your corner pieces. It should look something like this. Next, we're going to run the poles through the pool liner. Now, there is a specific order to go in, and the instructions will tell you that. They had this note to add talcum powder, which is also baby powder, to your poles to help with disassembly. So I'm applying baby powder to each pole before I hand it off. You're going to repeat this step for both sides and the ends. Now we are grabbing the straps out of the box and we're running them around the U-poles. You would do it just like this. Make sure the print is on the top and that little groove is facing the pool. Install the U-pieces into the frame. There are holes in the frame pole that line up to holes in the liner. You can see this in the upper right picture. We're going to snap the U-poles into those holes. Next, we're installing the corner pieces. The corner pieces flow loosely inside each one, so they can still move back and forth. There's not a hard snap. It's easier to have someone inside of the pool lifting it up to help install these, and that person will stay in the pool for a little while. Hence why you built your ladder, so you can get them out. While you're watching us install the corner pieces, I want to note that the manual said the assembly takes 60 to 90 minutes. And that might be true. This was our first time setting up the pool. It took us about 2 hours. Now we paused and read the manual and double checked a few things. I think the next time we assemble this pool, we can definitely do it in 60 to 90 minutes. Having everything unboxed and organized really helped the assembly process. Corners are installed. We're going to grab those black cylinder poles and we're going to connect the straps we already put on the U-bars and connect it to the pool. Here's a closer look. So you have that strap. Remember that notch was cut in. There's another strap on the pool and that little thing slips right into that notch and you kind of got to maneuver that black cylinder pole because you're going to go through the one end and then try to go through the strap from your pool and then back out. I did a quick level check around the frame to make sure everything was looking good before we filled it with water. Instructions say to run 1 inch of water in the pool and then check for level and also smooth out your wrinkles. If the 1 inch looks good and your pool is level, you can keep filling it with water. You don't want to fill past those holes on the side until you finish setting up your pump. There you have it. Your pool is assembled and it wasn't too bad for us. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, please post it in the comment section below. If you'd like to see more videos similar to this, please subscribe to my channel, Carly Tackles DIY, Tools and Gadgets, Tips and Tricks. Make sure you hit that bell to receive notifications when I release new content.